Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to break down Python's print function and how it works for beginners. But before we get into writing the print function code, we have to break down what is a print function. So the print function in Python is a built-in tool that outputs text or other objects to the screen. And based off that definition, let me now show you all what I mean. So let's type print with an opening parentheses, a double air quote, although you can use a single quote as well, but I love to use a double quote. So let's go with the double quote and let's type I like pizza. Or you can choose your favorite food that you like to eat. Next we'll type print opening parentheses, I like Xbox. By the way, you have to close the statement, or should I say you have to end the sentence off with a double quote and a closing parentheses, by the way. I forgot to mention that when I was typing in I like pizza on line 4. But let's keep it moving. Print I miss Blockbuster video. I'm definitely showing my age right now by saying I miss Blockbuster. That's 80s and 90s right there for you. But anyways, we'll stop right here for now. And I'm going to go ahead and save this. I'm using VS Code, by the way, as my IDE. So with that being said, let me go ahead and run the code. So if you want to run the code in VS Code, you can come up here where it says run code, or you can use the shortcut icon, or the shortcut keys I should say, by pressing Control Alt and N. I'm going to press Control Alt N, and as you can see, the code successfully ran, and it displays the text or the object as brought out in that definition. I like pizza, I like Xbox, I miss Blockbuster video. We'll talk about strings in another video, but a string is considered an object. Now let me show you what happens when you don't put the lowercase print and you try to spell print with a capital P or all uppercase P. We'll start with a capital P. Print. And as you can see, Python interpreter already showing an error message with the yellow squiggly lines, but let's keep going. I like road trips. Now let me save it, and now press Control Alt and N. And as you can see, we have an error message. It did print I like pizza, and it also print I like Xbox, but it stopped at line 6. As you can see right here, line 6 is where the error message came from, and that's not just an error message, that's a name error message. And then it asked me, name print is not defined, did you mean print? So what Python interpreter did was it started from the top, bottom, left to right, and it didn't print line 7 out because it found an error message here in line 6. So let me go ahead and copy this right quick and show you what I mean. So I'll go ahead and copy this, and then I'll go to line 7 and I'll just paste it back in. Now look what happens when I rerun the code. See, it print out I like pizza, I like Xbox, I miss Blockbuster video, but it didn't print I like road trips because, again, the name error message appeared in line 7 of this. And if I was to make this uppercase print, I'll save it again, and it does the same exact thing. It's a name error. So let's fix this. And we shouldn't see any more error messages. So whenever you type your code, just take your time and be very, very careful to try to prevent those errors from happening in the first place. So I just thought I'd just, make a quick video on the print function, and in the next video we'll be talking about strings, and we'll build from this video that we're doing right now. So thank you guys for watching the video. If you like what you see, please subscribe to the channel and leave a like. I'll truly appreciate it as it supports the channel. So with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.